I need tape all the time.
You use the tape so you can put the bead on it.
Yeah. You hold it because I could have put the bead.
You hold it and put the bead on it.
Oh. Why?
That's how you do it.
Oh. The instructions said tape. Going to do it big. You're going to do big.
And do one that fits me.
I'm going to put 2 hearts in mine. I'm going to put 100 hearts on mine. Where's the middle?
I don't know.
Don't get that last heart.
I only want one. This is like a unicorn.
Huh?
Doesn't it look like a unicorn?
Mine's a unicorn too.
Yeah, they both are. They both are.
Yeah. The middle, like in there.
What?
The middle, like in right there.
Oh well.
You're gonna beat me.
Yep. Super fast.
Yeah. I got colorful. I got pink and blue. Where did I get purple?
No, you don't got any purple in there.
Nope. And now what?
I think I'm done.
Oh, yep.
Just gotta tie it. Crisscross applesauce.
The fan is still watching me. You tie mine, okay?
Okay.
I know how to tie.
Ah, it's hard.
See, mommy can tie.
Got it. Ah, it's falling apart.
See, mommy can tie it.
She can't. Her nails are in the tub.
Yep.
Ah!
Tub. In the tub. 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 I got 100 hearts. 3 hearts. Mine's like rainbow.
Come on, dude. Stop coming untied. Got it!
Oh, yes.
Huh? Oh no, it came undone. The string doesn't like to be. It doesn't like to say tie.
Mine's Mine don't want to stay in. Mine don't want to stay in. Mine don't want to stay in.
They don't. Dot knot with drop of glue to secure it. Got no glue.
What? What kind of glue is this?
Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely good.
Ah, the beans. Put it back. Give me some. Ah, put it back in the circle. I don't have one.
Darn swan poopla.
Slime poopy papa. Slime kinda poopa.
I'll do it. I'll fix it for you. I did it. I dropped it.
I'm gonna put some. I want 100 in the middle. I'm gonna show you how to do it in the middle.
Why don't you just redo it then?
Because I want to do it.
She doesn't want to, but she wants to show you how to do it.
Yeah, do it in the middle. I want to show you how to do it in the middle.
What do you want?
All these in the sides, the little bit in the sides, and some in the middle. I want all these.
You want all of them by each other?
No, in the middle. Yeah.
Do you want them all by each other or one in between?
All of them in the cheddar. Okay.
Okay.
Then those, then these. Okay. That's like a unicorn.
Mm-hmm.